Welcome to the Cement Masons Training Center in Seattle, where the future of plaster and concrete craftsmanship begins. Today, we're hosting a pre-apprenticeship group from TVTC, learning the skills that set our workforce apart. Watch as these apprentices dive into cutting-edge technology with our state-of-the-art concrete 3D printer. From setup to operation, they're mastering the precision and innovation that contractors demand in today's competitive market. Here, students get hands-on with the printer's remote system, gaining the expertise to control complex equipment with confidence. At Local 528, we train our members to lead the industry, delivering unmatched quality and efficiency on every job site. It's not just about tech. Our apprentices learn to wield tools with skill, ensuring every project meets the highest standards. This is the hands-on training that builds the best plaster and concrete professionals in the region. From material handling to pump systems, our program covers every aspect of the trade. We equip our workforce with the knowledge to manage resources effectively, keeping your projects on time and on budget. Every detail matters. And check this out, our 3D printer crafts a Tiro logo as a bench, showcasing the creativity and precision we bring to every job. When you hire Local 528, you get a workforce trained to exceed expectations. Ready to work with the best trained plaster and concrete professionals in the area? Visit opcmaai528.org to connect with our dispatcher today.